Well, cleanup continues in Wildwood tonight. This morning, water rose rapidly along Wild Horse Creek, sending full-size trees downstream. As 5 on your site's Tracy Henson reports, the trees collided with a bridge.
Oh man, it's overwhelming as usual. Yeah.
Overwhelming as usual because this isn't the first time these neighbors have had to drop everything to clear out the creek.
It hasn't in a while. Years ago, it was a regular occurrence.
And something his daughter Josie has always had to help with. She was hoping to do normal 4th of July things.
Watch fireworks and eat a lot of food.
And what are you going to do instead?
Clear out the creek.
So where to start with a beaver dam of logs against your neighborhood bridge?
The top. Start chopping and cutting from the top down.
From there, it was all horsepower and manpower. The water had subsided by the time the residents were up, but you could see the evidence of where the water had been. The creek is about 30 feet from here. It had flown up over its banks, even making its way to the first row of this pasture fence, leaving debris behind.
I had no idea it rained that much. I am surprised, yes.
2019 was the last time these neighbors had to come together, but that time was worse.
Quite a few days because it was more backed up than this.
We worked pretty hard to clear out not just the congestion here, but everything upstream. And it lasted for a number of years. We were successful. So now we're just back in the loop. Trees grow, trees die, and here we are.
After 4 hours, there's still more work to be done. In Wildwood, Tracy Henson, 5 on your side.
And the bridge is the responsibility of the neighbors as it falls on the subdivision's private property. It's not a part of a county or city road.